what we've realized is there's opportunity to improve the slash's performance. And we realized that that is through changes in geometry, changes in wheel offset. So we've gone to a negative offset wheel, extended the arms approximately 10 millimeters, and that allows for smoother suspension geometry. So we've also been able to move the shocks out wider on the shock towers, and this increases the stability of the truck.
We knew that the Slash is a very durable truck, and we felt that we complemented that durability with this design. As a hobbyist, and not being a pro driver, I tend to make some mistakes like a normal guy does, so we wanted to do something that can take that kind of bashing and abuse that we put to the car, and we feel that we did that with this kit.
As a racer, you want the most performance that you can get, and one of the things that we looked at is, well, how can we take a Slash, a vehicle that has great performance already, and make it just that much better. And as a racer, you want a faster lap, you want to be more consistent, you want durability, and I think that we've brought that here with our new suspension kit for the Slash.
Hey, what's up? Scott Hughes coming to you here from ProLine, and today I want to share with you our new ProTrac suspension kit for the Slash. Now online I noticed a lot of people asking questions. Hey, I don't get it. What does it do? How does it work? And why does it work better? Let's get started by showing you exactly what the kit comes with. First, this is all the components that you see here. We've got steel turnbuckles that comes with. They're 10 millimeters longer than the stock ones. There's 3 shown here. There will be a total of 6 in the kit. I'm still working on production parts for that. We've got our front shock tower. We've got our rear arms. We've got our front arms. We've got our rear shock tower, our rear hub carriers, and finally, what's going to come in your kit is a complete set of 4 wheels. They're going to be the same for the front and rear of the vehicle. So we've got you a nice complete package that is basically put on what you have, and we're just replacing what's on the kit. So pretty straightforward. The benefits of this is this kit really gives the magic behind the kit is the longer A-arms with the zero offset wheel combined with a shock tower that gives you the correct geometry needed for these longer arms. In addition to that, the shock towers and the rear hub carriers, we've added tuning holes so that you can tune to your driving ability, to your driving style, and also to the type of track that you're on. So it's a really neat package, and I think for those of you that like to tune, that want to go faster, that want something that works easier, is still durable, I think you're really going to appreciate this kit. And let me just show you too the difference in what we're talking about, because in print it's hard to maybe show you, or even in this video if I just walk you through it, to show you the differences in what we've done. And so let's get an up close look. Now here's a stock rear arm, and here's our arm. You can see how much longer the arm is. We're about 10 millimeters longer. We've also increased the material around the hinge pin area, so this is going to give you a stronger arm. And you also notice just the attention to detail, the cleanliness of the arm. So we've really tried to clean up the look of the arm as well, while still giving you similar adjustments on the bottom here for the shock, so you can get different rates. Next up is the front arm. And again, similar, let me just get it straight here. You can see similar here. What we've done is another 10 millimeters longer. We've got a nice beefy material around the hinge pin area. We've beefed up the area here so you're getting less arm flex, especially through the bumpy areas of the track where your suspension's working a lot. And we've still got the multiple holes for the shock adjustment. Next up is the rear hub carriers. Now, in the rear hub carriers, we've beefed these up considerably, and we've seen a big problem with the stock hubs cracking, especially under cold weather. So you can see how much we've beefed up around the hinge pin area here. We've added 5 extra holes here on the tuning so we can get different camber gains as the suspension compresses. And you'll also notice the beefiness of those hole locations there, of the ear standoff here for the tie rod versus stock. So again, a nice beefy, well thought out product there. Next up is the front shock tower. You can see here we've really added some to adjust for that width of the arms. We've added the shock tower has a wider location for the shocks to get us the correct geometry. We've got 2 holes for tuning. Additionally, we've got an additional 2 holes for camber adjustments. So again, really nice beefy product. It's a lot stronger where you've got the connection at the top, so we're getting a lot less flex with the tower, and that's another important part and characteristics of our kit is we've made it just a little more rigid to make the car respond better to the track, and also when you're the feel of while you drive. Similar things we've done on the rear shock tower. You can see here, here's a stock tower, here's our tower, kind of race inspired. You know, we've really taken to the detail in the design. We've added a 3rd hole on the camber locations here, a 2nd hole on the shock locations. So you can see just a really nice piece. And that's the walkthrough, and that's kind of, you know, what those parts look like up close. And we hope that you enjoy watching this and enjoy the build. It's fairly straightforward, basically taking off and replacing what we have in our kit. The last thing to really top off our kit is our split 6 wheels. And to maintain the standard stock or track width as a stock vehicle, if you make the arms longer, you need to bring the wheel in more. And so we've done that, and you'll notice that compared to a standard stock slash wheel, let me grab one here, you can see how far in our nut would be, whereas on our wheel, it's more flush with the outside of the wheel. So we've gained that length and arm all in the wheel.